Chemistry, Volume 1, Chapter 6, Solid State, page 197. Graphite and diamond are both covalent crystals. An ionic compound AXBY crystallizes in FCC type crystal structure with B ions at the center of each face and A ion occupying corners of the cube. The correct formula of the AXBY is AB3. The ratio of close packed atoms to tetrahedral hole in cubic packing is 1:2. Solid CO2 is an example of molecular solid. Assertion: monoclinic sulfur is an example of monoclinic crystal system. Reason: for a monoclinic system, A is not equal to B not equal to C, and alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree, beta not equal to 90 degree. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. In calcium fluoride, having the fluoride structure, the coordination number of Ca2 plus ion and F minus ion are 8 and 4. The number of unit cells in 8 gram of an element X atomic mass 40 which crystallizes in BCC pattern is Na is the Avogadro number, B is 6.023 into 10 power 22. In a solid atom M occupies CCP lattice and 1/3 of tetrahedral voids are occupied by atom N. Find the formula of solid formed by M and N, M3N2. The ionic radii of A plus and B minus are 0.98 in 10 power minus 10 meter and 1.81 in 10 power minus 10 meter. The coordination number of each ion in AB is 6. CSCl as BCC arrangement, its unit cell edge length is 400 pm. Its interatomic distance is √3/2 into 400 pm. A solid compound XY has NaCl structure. If the radius of the cation is 100 pm, the radius of the anion will be 100 by 0.414. The vacant space in BCC lattice unit cell is 32%. The radius of an atom is 300 pm. If it crystallizes in a face-centered cube lattice, the length of the edge of the unit cell is 848.5 pm. The fraction of total volume occupied by the atoms in a simple cubic is pi/6. The yellow color in NaCl crystal is due to excitation of electrons in F centers. If A stands for the edge length of the cubic system SC, BCC, FCC, then the ratio of the radii of spheres in these systems will be respectively 1/2a, √3/4a, 1/2 √2a. If A is the length of the side of the cube, the distance between the body-centered atom and one corner atom in the cube will be √3/2a. Potassium has a BCC structure with nearest neighbor distance 4.52 angstrom. Its atomic weight is 39. Its density will be 915 kg per meter cube. Schottky defect in a crystal is observed when equal number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice. The cation leaves its normal position in the crystal and moves to some interstitial position. The defect in the crystal is known as Frenkel defect. Assertion: due to Frenkel defect, density of the crystal solid decreases. Reason: in Frenkel defect, cation and anion leaves the crystal. Both assertion and reason are false. The crystal with a metal deficiency defect is FeO. A two-dimensional solid pattern formed by two different atoms X and Y is shown below. The black and white squares represent atoms X and Y respectively. The simplest formula for the compound based on the unit cell from the pattern is XY8.